This is not a simple matter. Because even where I sit, my dad, late dad, was a church minister, Presbyterian church. And he was very educated. Senator Zena, on this point of order, I want to give five, so that Senator Cherargei can really clarify this matter of national importance.
Sorry, Mr. Speaker, I wanted to respond on the statement by Senator Sengo on the Dasanash community.
Senator Nyotho.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. I join my other colleagues in reminding Senator Cherargei that religious leaders are learned people. For his information, Mr. Speaker, in the Catholic Church, for example, these are people who study, the priests study in the seminary for almost 10 years. So by Senator Cherargei insinuating that they have not gone to school, I think he should apologize and withdraw. The second thing that I have an issue with, Mr. Speaker, is Senator Cherargei's implication again that while supporting Senator Seki's statement, that where do you want D minuses and D pluses to go, Mr. Speaker? I wanted to tell him as a teacher that yes, we should support that affirmative action, that we should allow them to go to teaching, but not because it's only in teaching where they can go, where D minuses can go, Mr. Speaker, because he was like, where do you want them to go? Mr. Speaker, Senator Cherargei should know that teaching is not the only place where somebody with a D minus can go. But I support affirmative action. Senator, but that is not to mean that teachers are people of D minuses and maybe E's. Thank you.
Senator Cherargei, conclude and
Chair, can I clarify?
Those very important points of orders.
Mr. Speaker, I think I was misheard by my colleagues because I meant people like Yesua Tongaren, I meant people like Nganga and the rest of this world, the Shakaola. Mr. Speaker, I have tremendous respect. For your information, my younger brother is a parish priest here in Kitengela. He went to seminary for 10 years, Mr. Speaker. I cannot be part of the people who, I say people who lead sect organization in this country, the Shakaolas of this country, but all religious leaders are personal friends. Most of them have done very well, Mr. Speaker. So I was misheard, and I want to clarify as I conclude that I have tremendous respect, Mr. Speaker, and ask Mr. Speaker, just I was saying there is a perception in society that such children, but we need to take a necessary position, Mr. Speaker. I respect all religious leaders, but if you are Yesua Tongaren and the rest, we will not allow you, Mr. Speaker, to be part of it, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I thank you and I support. And also Joe is a governor and was a D minus product.
Sorry? You want to make a comment?
Yeah, I want to contribute on this.
Sorry? Not on Cherargei's issue now.
No, not on that.
Make your comment on the